Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my intermediate advanced combo to Too Sweet by Hozier, or however you say his name. So if you don't know some of the steps in this combo, go ahead and find them in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist. I have broken down almost all steps in that playlist. I think I don't have a few on there, but I think all the steps in this combo should be on that playlist and should have a tutorial. So if you don't know a step in this combo, go ahead and find it in that tutorial playlist, which is you can find the link in my description box below. And then also, once you're done learning the dance in this video, you can then go on to do the dance with music with the short that I posted earlier this week. So you can find the link to that short where I do the dance with music in my description box below. So pretty much anything that you need help with, go searching in my description box. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. So since it's an intermediate advanced dance, we're going to throw in some harder moves. So if you are a beginner or an advanced beginner, this is going to be harder for you. So I maybe don't recommend learning this dance, but you can definitely enjoy it. And once you get up to this level, then you can for sure learn it. Okay, so we're going to start with a running shuffle. So we have 4 of them. So when I say 4, that means we're going to step on the right foot and do 4 shuffles, starting with the left shuffle. So you're going to start with a step on the right, and you're going to go step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle. Okay? So let's give that a try. Starting with your right foot step, we have step, shuffle, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're going to go into a cramp roll. You're going to go, let's see, I haven't counted it out yet. Let me figure that out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's an extra 4 count for the cramp roll. So we're here, shuffle. You're going to go step, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. Yes, okay, so an extra, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, I believe, added on to the cramp roll. So we have step, step, heel, heel, and then toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. Okay, so from the top we have step, shuffle, 2, 3, 4, step, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. And you're kind of turning that cramp roll into a crawl going to the left. Okay, so shuffle, step, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. Then we're going to go into 2 Cincinnatis. We're going to do the Cincinnati first on the right and then on the left. And you're going to start it with that spank. I don't tend to start it with the spank. I tend to start it with the drawback, but it's always an option. So we're here. So weights in our left toe. We're going to pick up our right toe and go from that spank. So we're going to go spank, heel, shuffle, heel, drawback, shuffle, heel, drawback. And then we're going to go shuffle, heel, step, cross right over left. And then you're going to do a rhythm turn. Right, left, heel, heel, toe, toe. Okay? So, from the Cincinnatis, we have 2 of them, right side, left side. 1, 2. Then we have shuffle, heel, step, heel, heel, toe, toe. Slight pause after the shuffle, heel, step. Pause, and then heel, heel, toe, toe. So slight pause in between those 2. Then we're going to go into step, step, pull back, or step, step, double pull back, step, step, double pull back, step, step, double pull back, double pull back, and a wing. Let me show you what I mean here. So starting with the right foot, we're going to go step, step, double pull back with the right foot here. And then again, step, step, double pull back. And then we're going to go step, step, double pull back, and a wing. There we go. Okay, so that comes right after the turn. So we're here, shuffle, heel, step, and then heel, heel, toe, toe. Then we have step, step, pull back, step, step, pull back, and a wing. And I'm having to keep mine really small because I have a really small space here. So depending on your amount of space, you can do them as big or as small as needed. Okay, after our wing, we're going to go into 2 Irishes, a right and then a left, just regular normal Irishes. And then we're going to do an over the top. So we just landed on our left foot, and we're going to go again step on that left foot. So you're going to step on the left, prep with the right out front. Let me show you to the side what I mean here. You're going to step on the left again, prep right. You're going to go over, left over right, and you're going to do a toe. Excuse me, let me see here. There it is. Okay, just a toe. So no hop, just a toe. You're going to go step, prep, over the top, just a toe on the right, and then you're going to step back onto that right foot, prep with the left, and over, right over left now. Okay. If you watched my videos going over the BS chorus, this is in like part 3 or 4. I want to say 4. This is like the starting point for one of the parts of the BS chorus. So we just went pull back, and a wing, step, step, pull back, and a wing. Then we have our Irish. And then using that same left foot, don't really put your weight into that foot. You're going to go step, prep, over, toe, step, prep, over. Over the top. Here we go. Step, prep, over, toe, step, prep, over. Whew. Okay. I don't know if I can do it this way. I might need to like turn slightly on that section. So from the Irish, then step, prep, over, toe, step, prep, over. Yeah, I can't do it this way. Irish. Okay, from here. Then you're going to go, I'll need to turn this way for those. And then on my drawbacks that come next, I'll turn this way so you can see my back feet again. Back of my feet. So, from there, we just landed on the right foot. So left foot's behind. We're going to do starting our drawbacks with that left foot. We're going to do 3 of them. So left, right, left. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. 2 Cincinnatis, right side, left side. Shuffle, heel, drawback. Shuffle, heel, drawback. And a toe on the right. Okay, so again, just came out of that over the top. And we have 1, 2, 3. Shuffle, shuffle, and a toe. Then we have 2 5-count riffs, right and left. And if I'm ever going too fast, remember that you can always pause it, rewind it, and slow it down. So many options to go over again what I have taught. Okay, so we're going to do 2 5-count riffs starting on the right foot. So we'll go right and then left here. And then we're going to do a rhythm turn, this time starting it with an actual riff on the right foot. And from here, we're going to go into a back essence. We're going to go stomp, stomp, brush, ball, change, stomp, brush, ball, change, stomp, brush, ball, change, I believe. So starting with the right foot, stomp, stomp, brush, ball, change, 2, 3. Yep. You're going to finish it off with that ball change, right, left. So 3 times through. First on the right, then on the left, then back on the right. So we have and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and cramp roll and a stomp. Both on the right foot. Cramp roll and a stomp. Okay? That comes right out of the back essence. So we have and 1, 2, 3, cramp roll and a stomp. Good. From here, to finish it all out, we're going to go paradiddle stomp, paradiddle stomp. Both of those paradiddles are on the left. Both stomps are on the right. We have a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. And then we're going to go paradiddle, 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 stomp. So 1, 2, 3, stomp. Left, right, left, right. So then 1, 2, 3, and stomp. And that's the whole thing right there. So I know I went through it fast. Let's go through it again. Let's walk through it here. I'm going to say all the names of the steps. So starting from the running shuffle, nice and slow, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cramp roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cincinnati. 2, 3, 4. Turn. sorry, that was a slow turn. Then we have step, step, pull back, step, step, pull back, and a wing, Irish, Irish, over the top, draw back, 1, 2, 3, Cincinnati, and a toe, 5 count riff, rhythm turn, back, yes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cramp roll, pair to the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and a stomp. Whew. Like I said, I have to turn for that over the top, so don't worry when you start seeing me turn. Don't you turn unless you feel like it. It's just because I don't have enough space. Okay, let's try that one more time. Up to tempo, and I'm very out of breath. Up to tempo, no music, obviously, and I'm not going to say the names of the steps, okay? So we're going to run it through, and then once we're done here, running it through, if you want to, you can always do it a couple times here. Then you can go and find the link to the short in my description box below where I do it with music, and then you can go ahead and do the dance with music. Sorry, way out of breath. All right, from the top, I'm not going to say the names of the steps, and we're going to do it up to tempo, okay? Here we go. All right, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, nicely done. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a step suggestion or a song suggestion, go ahead and leave those down in my comment section below. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.